Hi there, and welcome to Wexford Lakes. I'm one of your leasing consultants here with Casto. Today, we're going to take a tour of our 600 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, garden style apartment. Let's go. Let's start at our entryway. As soon as you walk in the door, you will have a nice, spacious living room with tons of natural light. And this leads you to your adorable breakfast nook with a coat closet and pantry space there. Your kitchen has tons of storage space. Comes appliance with a stove, oven, freezer, refrigerator, dishwasher, and dual sink. This will then take us to your bedroom. This bedroom is housing a queen set and has a larger than standard closet. Down the hall, you will see your laundry. The stackables do come with the unit for you. And this will take us into your bathroom, which has a shower tub combo and a large single vanity. Look at all of that space there for you. It even has built-in linen closet. Thank you so much for taking a tour with us here at Wexford Lakes. If you have any additional questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the office. We can't wait to get you all moved in.